Okay guys, come on, let's create this flyer together. Yeah. So the first thing first, we have to resize our page. Okay, the size of our document is 18 by, okay, let's leave it like this. Start with this circle. Just watch. And we are going to leave it somewhere around here and resize it. Make sure you hold the shift key when you resize it so that you have a perfect shape. Yeah. We need a, I think, no, a rectangle. Yes, let's work with the rectangle. So you have to make sure you send the rectangle behind, and to do that you can either press shift and page down on your keyboard, or you right click and you take order and you send to back. That is it. So we need another shape to cut the rectangle because we want to give an alignment to the one inside. This is how we do it. We press shift and then we select the other shape and come up here. Okay, let's do this first. Let's take one step at a time. Okay guys, so this is what I was saying. You have to hold your shift and select the other shape and come to, oh no, that is weld, and come to trim, undo, come to trim. Yeah, are you seeing that? It has immediately cut the rectangle. So this is the alignment I was talking about. And now we have to kind of eliminate these edges. There are a lot of ways you can go about with that, and I don't want to take too much time on this because it might be, yeah, I'll talk about this in the next video. So just be around, maybe subscribe and stick around. Of course, you should subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. Subscribe to my channel. So just watch how I'm about to design this. I think, how do they call it, tick? The tick, so that I can mark the items which I have. My maybe it could be services, yeah, or my services. I always make sure I have this to mark them, make it highlighted. So just I use the pen tool to create this tick, and there's a rectangle box. If you really want to get details about this, you'll get my contacts at the end of this video. Everything on this flyer is about me, it's about my services. Yeah, so everything is there. You can as well contact me through that number and we can talk. Yeah, we can talk.
Just take all my money and go. Oh, I don't feeling me, I'm a dab before my time. Feeling me, I'm a dab before the sunset shines in the morning.
Okay guys, please, if you did enjoy this video, hit on the subscribe button and tap on the notification button so that you get updated each time I upload new videos. Thank you and see you in my next upcoming video.